In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Adalo. We'll move through the process from opening Adalo to customizing a dashboard so it displays the information you care about most, all while keeping things simple and clear. Start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type Adalo and look for the official Adalo website. This is the easiest way to get to the platform if you don't have the URL saved. Once you see the official result, click the link to head to the site. On the Adalo homepage, log into your account. Use your usual sign-in method and make sure you're logging into the correct workspace if you have access to more than one. Keeping credentials secure is important, so only enter them on the official site. After you're in, open the app where you want to build your dashboard. This takes you into the Adalo Builder, which is the canvas where you'll design and wire everything up. Give the app a moment to load so all the collections and components are ready to use. Next, look for the plus icon, which opens the Components panel. In the search bar there, type Dashboard. You'll see pre-designed dashboard layouts and components that you can drop right onto your screen. Choose a design that matches your goals, whether you need quick stats, charts, or a combination, and place it where you want it. Think about the structure. Lead with the most important metrics and leave space for supporting details beneath. With the dashboard on your screen, click each individual component to customize it. In the right-hand panel, set its data source by connecting it to the appropriate collection in your database. Map the fields you want to display. Choose how the numbers are calculated, and apply filters so the data is relevant, such as showing records for the logged-in user or within a specific date range. Adjust visibility rules when needed, and use consistent colors, fonts, and sizes to make the dashboard easy to scan. Renaming components clearly will help you stay organized as your app grows. If you need more context or controls, you can add additional components using the plus icon. Text is great for titles, labels, and explanations. Lists can surface recent items or top performers that relate to your metrics. Toggles or buttons can switch views, filter data, or change timeframes. Arrange elements with even spacing, align them to a grid, and group related items so the layout feels cohesive. That's it. Your dashboard is now structured, connected, and ready to refine as your data evolves.